In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice template in Xero. Let's get started by logging into your Xero account. First, navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll want to enter your email and password. Make sure your login credentials are correct, and when you're ready, click the login button. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see your company name. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you to the settings menu where you'll see various options to manage your account. Now focus your attention on the invoice settings option, which you'll need to select to proceed further. Once you are in invoice settings, you'll see a drop-down labeled New Branding Theme. Click on this drop-down box and select Custom DocX. This is where you'll be creating your custom invoice template. Now it's time to name your new template. Choose a name that clearly identifies your template for future use. This is essential for keeping your templates organized, especially if you plan to create multiple versions. After naming your template, press OK to confirm your settings. Next, scroll down to locate the template you just created. You'll see an option to download it. Click on Download, which will save a Word document of your template to your device. Open this template in Microsoft Word to start editing. Here you can customize the layout, fonts, colors, or any other elements you wish to include in your invoice. This is your opportunity to tailor the invoice to fit the specific needs and branding of your business. Once you're finished editing in Word, save your changes and get ready to upload your newly modified template back into Xero. Return to the Xero invoice settings page and you will find an upload section. Click on the upload button and then select browse under the invoice section where you'll pick the file you just saved. After selecting the file, simply click upload again to finalize this process. With these steps completed, your custom invoice template is now ready to be used within Xero. From now on, every invoice generated using this template will reflect the customizations you've made, offering a polished and branded appearance. This thorough process ensures your invoices are as professional and personalized as possible, representing your business well in front of clients. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial useful for enhancing your Xero invoicing experience.